they don't care. They don't care. So, but yeah, I mean, biology have its way to like smoke out the people who are not contributing to the species. So the people who are actually more connected end up reproducing more, and the people who are not will end their legacy. So biology have its way to like fine tune anything. So
fair. What are the other use cases? AI और कहाँ पे disruption लेके आने वाला है? Dating you said. Entrepreneurs के लिए क्या होगा? और या तो employees के लिए क्या होगा? AI use case.
I mean, on the work end, it's mostly automation. Like the things are automated. I think only two kinds of job as a human will be left. One is you are curious about something, so you think and instruct your AI systems, or you are creative. So you ask AI to create some kind of image, some kind of movie for me, or some kind of aesthetically looking better stuff. So we as a human are gonna do just two things, and I don't think we're gonna work. So
and then who's gonna consume these things?
Us humans.
But then हम खुद ही बना के खुद ही consume करेंगे क्योंकि सबका hyper personalized होगा ना. Like why do you want to create when you know कि मैं कुछ भी create कर लूँ, दूसरे लोगों को इतना अच्छा नहीं लगेगा क्योंकि AI इतना जान चुका होगा, उनको वही दिखाएगा.
हाँ वो भी है, but AI, I mean when I say create, it's not कि मैं एक बैठ के पूरा frame by frame create कर रहा हूँ. I'm just giving it an intent कि I'm feeling very excited today, show me something related. I'm feeling very depressed, show me something motivating. So मैंने इंटेंट बताया, अब AI अपने हिसाब से मेरा फीड क्यूरेट कर रहा है. So it's gonna be,
but it's gonna be AI generated, right?
It's gonna, but you can't tell the difference between AI and human generated.
Which I'm okay with. मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि बना के फिर okay, how will people earn money? How will people connect with each other?
That's another topic, but I think very good topic. No, very good topic in a way. Like I also think the concept money as a concept might also not exist.
तो फिर चलेगा कैसे सब?
Okay, so
free welfare state होगा क्या?
No, I'm totally. So the only limiting factor for AI is energy. We have enough solar energy to actually power all of the AI. And when everything is automated around us, government will have to come up with some kind of universal like energy allocation and AI systems running for automating my stuff. So now think about it, like आपको मैं बोलूँ कि आपको एक घर बनाना है आज, you will plan out at 2 months or 3 months and 4 months. Now think of in a world 20 years down the line, you are talking to your AI systems, there are robots flying down with woods and stuff, and within a week or within few days, they can actually make the whole house. You think it's very exaggerated? Very possible. क्योंकि आप 20 साल पहले, आप 50 साल पहले आप अंधेरी से नॉर्थ मुंबई से साउथ मुंबई जाने के लिए आप 2 दिन पहले प्लानिंग करोगे, बिकॉज ट्रैवल टाइम इज़ वेरी हाई. आज आप 1 घंटा पहले प्लान करके इमीडिएट प्लान करके आप कैब बुक करके निकल सकते हो. सो द टाइम it took to travel reduced. The time it for us to go from here to the other part of the world is reduced. Everything is so getting advanced कि आपका जो travel time, building time और जो भी time है और the cost is getting optimized. We'll get to a point जहाँ हमें कुछ बनाना है, हम just AI systems को बोलेंगे. Even in physical world, it will make it drones, stuff, humanoids, properly creating a house that I want for me. Physical change, not just digital. So when you're entering into this kind of world, the trajectory is going to be very different. Like the base level needs are already done. You're going to be eating enough food because government systems are like, I mean, if government is to be good though, I'm assuming the government is like very good. Just allocate some energy, solar energy, nuclear energy, could be any energy, but they will just allocate that energy and everyone have basic necessity fulfilled. Whoever want to go extra, it could be more like space travel. Mars जा रहे हैं या कुछ कर रहे हैं, that will come into an elite behavior or a status quo behavior. Very possible. I mean, looks not, but if you see the last 50 years, the Prime Minister of India doesn't have, the first Prime Minister doesn't have the comfort of switching on a switch to start the heater. There's a process in heating water, and like today we just wake up, switch on, and just go into the. We have the moving air condition, which is cars. 200 years back, people don't have it. I mean, we don't see the change that happened because we are born in a new world. The change that's going to happen is way different. Everyone is going to live a billionaire's life. That's for sure. And what billionaires doing today is going to do more extra official thing like
space travel,
or I don't know, building a tower in 1 week or something. Could be different. So we're heading towards that world, and growth is exponential.
So कौन लोग हैं जो इस वर्ल्ड में, न्यू वर्ल्ड में रिप्लेस नहीं होंगे? Because a lot of jobs will get replaced, a lot of people will get replaced, a lot of skills will get replaced.
I think we need to think
कौन बचेगा?
We need to think it differently. We are not meant to work. So replacement comes कि हम assumption ले रहे हैं कि हमें काम करना चाहिए तो और मैं replace हो गया हूँ. We as a human are not meant to work.
पैसे कहाँ से कमाऊंगा मैं?
पैसे की this system at scale you don't need money.
But okay,
you will need some kind of.
कब आएगा सिस्टम, कब नहीं आएगा मुझे नहीं पता.
हाँ.
आज लेकिन मुझे really clearly दिख रहा है कि मैं किसी एक बड़ी कंपनी में काम करता था, वहाँ से मुझे फायर कर दिया क्योंकि एआई ने रिप्लेस कर दिया. एक बहुत बड़ा कोई स्टार्टअप है जो लोग हायर ही नहीं कर रहा क्योंकि एआई ने रिप्लेस कर दिया. तो ये छोटी छोटी जॉब्स आ रही हैं.
ठीक है, ये प्रॉब्लम अभी आ रही है. सो आई थिंक इमीडिएट सॉल्यूशन टू दैट is just adapt to AI. I mean, one of the most important skills is how well you can prompt the AI. आप कितने अच्छे तरीके से आप अपने AI से बात कर सकते हैं. We had seen like a lot of users come and give a one-liner stuff and say it doesn't work. That's the most important skill as of today you need. If you're in college, if you're doing a job, start to learn how to talk to an AI. There's also a technical term to it, prompt engineering. You need to prompt it well in order to make it work. Whoever does this best is so in our company we make sure that two skills are really there before we hire. How well you can talk to AI, prompting, and high urgency. You need to have that kind of urgency to do something.